Hi. For my research proposal, I want to explore how does inclusion affect student performance and self-image of the special education student. The purpose of my study would be to determine the impact that inclusion has on student performance and self-image of students with disabilities. And some research questions that I have would be, how does inclusion impact student performance? How does inclusion impact student self-image? And how does student performance of those students in inclusion compare to the performance of students in pull-out programs? In reviewing literature, I found that um, many studies have been done about inclusion, but um, there has been little reported about how it increases or decreases, or if there's any change in student performance. The attitude of principals and teachers, if it's more favorable towards inclusion, then inclusion appears to be implemented more appropriately. And and then some research has been done that shows uh, that inclusion appeared to have no change or decreased performance on statewide assessment. However, that was done in 1998, so I think there is a cause for or need for more updated information. The theoretical framework that I am interested in using for my research study is grounded theory. I hope to, through my research, find theories about inclusion that would help teachers and um, special education and general education teachers implement inclusion appropriately in the classroom to increase student performance as well as the student's self-image. And methods that I will be using include interviews, observations, and surveys. Interviews would be done with both special education and general education teachers, and I would be considering um, their thoughts on student achievement as well as on inclusion, and then interviews with the special education students who are served in the inclusion setting because it would be important to get their feedback on how they feel about their educational performance and how they feel about their self image. Observations would be done in the classroom to observe the implementation of inclusion, what roles each teacher plays, and then how much students with disabilities participate in the inclusion class. And finally, surveys can be conducted with parents to have them rate their child's growth and performance as a result of the inclusion. I thank you, and any feedback and information you can provide would be greatly appreciated.